Hello, I'm Rani, International Business Franchise Consultant for FTR Game. Today, I've got some shocking news to share with you. Your opportunity has arrived. The chance to start your own online gaming business is right in front of you. No money needed, no entry barriers at all. In many people's minds, the online gaming industry is known as a high-profit business. Lots of people dream of jumping in and building something of their own. But once they actually step in, they immediately face a series of real challenges, huge capital investment required for R&D and operations. Setting up dedicated server centers around the world. Building a 24/7 multilanguage customer service team. Integrating international payment gateways to handle instant deposits and payouts. Preparing massive working capital to cover instant payouts when players win. Forming a professional digital marketing team to drive growth. Because of these high barriers, most people simply give up before they start. Back in 2010, Game DreamWorks was born in Anguilla. Its founder, Sam Wang, started from the very bottom of the gaming industry. Even though he had the talent and vision, he kept failing because of limited funds and tough circumstances. But he didn't give up. Instead, he made a promise to himself: I want to make sure that future online gaming entrepreneurs never have to fight alone. That belief sparked the birth of Game DreamWorks. FTR Game DreamWorks is a professional system platform provider. We don't directly run the market. Instead, we expand globally through a franchise model. And now the opportunity is here. Once you join FTR Game, we'll help you solve all the challenges listed above and give you a complete online gaming platform for free so you can start your entrepreneurial journey. In one line, we invest the money. You become the boss and make the big profits. Here, you won't be fighting alone. You'll be building your dream together with countless partners worldwide. Our franchise model turns players into true business owners. All you need is the ability to promote and the mindset to manage a market, and your business can start. Join FTR Game and you'll get a fully independent gaming platform worth 8,50,000 rupees, $10,000 absolutely free. That includes your own website, custom page design, complete operations setup, full payment collection and payouts, 24/7 customer support, and backend management. We handle all of that. You just focus on promotion and leave the rest to us. When you become an FTR Game franchise partner, you're not just getting the rights to run a gaming platform, you're gaining access to a complete resource integration system. The platform is not only about the games, it's a powerful support system that helps you grow your network, raise funds, and expand marketing. Through our resources, you can easily attract investors, raise funds quickly for expansion, and bring in influencers as resellers. Their traffic and influence will directly turn into your sales. This top-to-bottom model ensures you have both capital sources and marketing channels in place, building a stable and highly efficient ecosystem. Joining FTR Game isn't just a franchise, it's a launchpad. With capital and marketing fully covered, you minimize your risk and maximize your returns, paving the way for long-term success. Why do we require a security deposit? The platform we provide is extremely valuable and requires significant upfront investment. That's why it's important to find the right partners who are serious about building this business. The deposit system is designed to filter for committed franchisees. A small deposit not only shows your commitment but also ensures you're serious. After operations start, your daily profits will automatically offset the deposit, and within as little as 1 month, it can be fully cleared. In other words, it's basically zero investment entrepreneurship, quick market entry while effectively filtering out those who aren't suitable. Have you ever wondered How much money can you actually make from running a platform? Not just per day, but in a whole month? Let's look at a real example. Imagine your gaming platform is running smoothly. Over time, more resellers join and start promoting for you. Suppose you now have 50 resellers and each one gets just 2 members per day to purchase a virtual product worth 1000 rupees. That's not an exaggerated number, but look at how it adds up. 50 resellers times 2 members times 1000 rupees is equal to 100,000 rupee total daily revenue. Franchise share is equal to 88% is equal to 88,000 rupee income minus 60% commission to resellers is equal to 60,000 rupee. Final daily profit is equal to 28,000 rupees. So what does this mean? A daily profit of 28,000 rupees becomes 8,40,000 rupee per month. This isn't a far-off dream, it's what can actually happen in your platform's day-to-day operations. As your reseller network expands and member numbers grow steadily, these profits will keep stacking up, creating a continuous stream of income. Now picture this, every morning you wake up and see 28,000 rupees added to your account, and at the end of the month, you see 8,40,000 rupees sitting there. How would that feel? Shocking, right? That's the beauty of running a platform, a stable profit model every investor dreams of. And don't worry about how to run it, FTR Games supports you every step of the way. Once you join, you don't have to stress about operations. We'll assign a dedicated coach to guide you step by step through the whole process, ensuring you launch quickly and smoothly. We also provide structured training so you won't just learn how to operate, but also how to manage and grow your business effectively. With this system, you'll go from a beginner to a skilled franchise owner in no time, building your own stable income channel. Choosing FTR Game means choosing the most worry-free and reliable path to success. Transparent, fair, and real profit system. Daily settlement, next day withdrawals, deposits as fast as 10 minutes. The more members purchase virtual products, the higher your profit share, up to 70%. This is a zero-cost, low-risk, and sustainable business opportunity. Here, dreams aren't just slogans, they turn into real, visible results. Game DreamWorks isn't just Sam Wang's story. It's the story of every single franchisee who joins us. Alone, you may go fast. But together, we'll go far. Join us and let's open a brand new chapter in the global gaming industry. FTR Game, shared economy times entrepreneurial dreams times global stage. Now, let the dream take flight.